Is snacking okay on keto? Hi there. Welcome to the Healthy Eats Good Life channel. In this video, I will share the best go-to snacks you can eat when following the ketogenic diet and those that should be avoided. To kill hunger pangs between meals, it's okay to have a snack, but we need to know what exactly we can have so we can see results on the keto diet. Snacks can be a good addition to a healthy diet if you snack smart, but if you don't, they can sabotage your health and weight loss goals. Eating healthy snacks can help to ward off hunger and keep you energetic and focused during the day. I highly recommend the following snacks as they are high in fat and protein, which are key ingredients on keto. Please watch to the end as I will share my go-to tips on snacking as well. 1. Avocados. These are a healthy and delicious addition to a diabetic and keto diet. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, yet they are low in carbohydrates. They are good for heart health. Avocados are an essential ingredient for a weight loss diet because they help you feel fuller for longer. Studies have found that when you eat just a slice of avocado every day, you reduce food cravings during the day. 2. Nuts. Nuts are high in fat and have fiber, so they keep you feeling full for longer. Opt for almonds, macadamia nuts, walnuts, or peanuts. Avoid the salted nuts because the sodium will lead to water retention, and this may be counterintuitive if weight loss is your goal. Avoid the honey or sugar-coated ones as these will lead to weight gain. Instead, eat your nuts plain or roasted. Also, keep the quantity of nuts consumed to about a handful, twice a day maximum, to avoid consuming too many calories. This could also lead to unwanted weight gain since some nuts like cashews are high in calories. You can prepare and enjoy delicious sorbets for a nice pick-me-up in the long hot afternoons when you're craving something sweet. Check out my video for a quick and easy strawberry keto sorbet recipe. I will link it on the upper right corner of the screen here. 4 chopped carrots and celery sticks and hummus. Carrot sticks and hummus are a delicious snack. Hummus is a paste made from ground chickpeas, garlic, sesame seed paste, olive oil, and lemon. It has healthy fat and protein and soluble fiber. 4 tablespoons of hummus are only about 145 calories. 3 medium-sized carrots go for about 40 calories. Carrots are full of beta-carotene and potassium. Celery is a crunchy and low-calorie alternative to combine with hummus to make you feel fuller between meals. 5. Chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds combined with Greek yogurt. These seeds are a good source of protein. They contain healthy fat as well as important minerals such as zinc and magnesium. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provides 5 grams of protein, and a quarter cup of sunflower seeds contains 9 grams of protein. This seed mix is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 has heart-healthy benefits. Eating these seeds regularly is good for healthy and glowing skin. You can eat them raw or grind them into a powder and add them as toppings to your meals or Greek yogurt. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is one of my favorite comfort foods, and it has a place on a weight loss diet. Studies have shown that snacking on a small amount of peanut butter or peanuts is a good way to control hunger and avoid weight gain. A study found that in spite of its high caloric and fat content, peanuts do not seem to contribute to weight gain and may help maintain a healthy weight and reduce your risk of obesity. Peanuts help you feel fuller and reduce cravings, and this reduces the risk of weight gain. Cucumber. This refreshing vegetable can be combined with many ingredients to make a healthy snack. Cucumber and cheese or hummus is delicious. Cucumbers contain many important minerals and vitamins, yet they are very low in calories. They have a high water content, which gives you a refreshing and hydrating feeling when you eat them. Eating cucumbers regularly may lead to many potential health benefits such as balanced hydration, weight loss, digestive regularity, and lower blood sugar. 8. Cheese. There are many different types of cheese. The good news is most are low in carbs and high in fat, which makes them a great addition to a keto diet. 20 grams of cheddar cheese provides roughly 1 gram of carbs, 6 grams of protein, and 20 grams of calcium. Cheese is often assumed to be a healthy part of our diets when consumed in moderation due to its high protein and calcium content. Opt for low-fat cheddar, mozzarella, Gouda, or any other unprocessed cheese. Remember that a healthy diet should be based around whole foods and not processed foods. 9. Eggs. Eggs are an ideal food for the keto diet. 1 medium to large egg contains roughly 6 grams of protein and less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. Eggs are one of the most healthiest and versatile foods. Normally considered a breakfast food, eggs can also be adapted as a snack. Consider eating a boiled egg whenever you get cravings in between meals. They are delicious, filling, and help keep hunger pangs at bay. For a delicious combo, you could try eating 1 boiled egg with a spoonful of peanut butter. It's delicious. 10. Dark chocolate. It's okay to eat dark chocolate, but eat just a few squares a day, not the entire bar. Substitute milk chocolate with dark chocolate. That's chocolate that's at least 70% made up of cocoa solids. Dark chocolate is known to have heart health benefits. 11. Ham. Ham, as long as it's unsweetened, is perfectly fine on a keto diet. In fact, it's fairly ideal. 1 slice of deli ham contains roughly 60 calories. It has 9.5 grams of protein, 2.25 grams of fat, and a half a gram of carbohydrates. If you're looking to include ham as a snack on your diet, go for a traditional sliced deli ham. Still, it's advisable to read the ingredients list to make sure that it's not made with added sugar. Ham can be eaten alone or combined with other snacks to make a delicious snack. Avocado with ham and chili flakes are a good delicious combo for a mid-afternoon snack. Bacon. Similar to eggs and ham, bacon is generally considered a breakfast food. However, if you are looking for another keto-friendly snack option, consider bacon. Among pork products, bacon is high in fat, making it ideal for a keto-friendly, low-carb snack. So here are a few tips to consider when snacking. Prepare your snacks ahead of time and carry them with you to work. Eat a snack when you feel hungry and don't wait until you are too hungry, as this might lead to overeating or binge eating. Don't eat out of boredom or when you're feeling distracted. Avoid sugary snacks, fried snacks, and refined grains. These won't help you feel full as quickly, but will add lots of calories. Sugary snacks will cause ups and downs in your blood sugar, and this will increase food cravings. Aim to include protein, fiber, and healthy fat into your snacks. These will help you feel satisfied and reduce cravings. If weight loss is your goal, aim to eat your snacks under 200 calories. Generally speaking, you should stay away from crisps and sugary snacks like sweets and gum, and obviously biscuits, donuts, chapatis, samosas, and cakes. Avoid the following snacks: crisps and potato chips. These are high in saturated fat and salt and should be avoided. They lead to water retention and are high in calories. 2. Honey and honey-coated snacks. 3. Fruit juices, as most of these are high in sugar. 4. Crackers. 5. Bananas. 6. High glycemic fruits. Check out my video on low-carb keto fruits for more detail on the fruits that are allowed on the keto diet. I will link it at the end of the video. 7. Sweetened yogurt. 8. Chocolates, sweets, and candies. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos about health and wellness, simple eating, healthy recipes for weight loss, mental health, and so much more. Check out my playlist of my top videos of a healthy lifestyle, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.